Hey everyone, let's cover PDF files and how to make the most out of your website and still use them. Now, a PDF file is not supported by any browser, which means you don't actually see PDFs on a web page. So what usually happens is you have to link it to something via hyperlink, which opens in a new window, which actually opens your Adobe Acrobat Reader when the file loads. So the downside is your PDFs that you have on your website aren't searchable by Google or Bing search engines. So if it's a trail map, people don't actually find you by having your trail map information posted in a PDF. Same thing for events. If it's a major event that you have that you created a professional PDF on and you distribute it around your community, if you post the link to that event with no other information, no one finds it. So what you always want to do is create a page for your event, for your trail system, or whatever you may be using the PDF for, and then linking to that PDF from that page. So for example, a trail map, it is impractical to try to display a huge image that is searchable and zoomable on your website. So what you want to do is you create a screenshot, you link the screenshot image to the trail map. Same thing for the event. Now you may not need an image link to it, but you will want to have the event created on a web page and then have the PDF inserted into that and then hyperlinked. So when someone clicks on it, it will open the PDF for them. But Google search engines and Bing search engines will crawl that event page, for example, to pull the information about your event so that people can find it. Now I'm going to show you how to, for example, update your trail page to create an image that is linked to a PDF. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is go into the Trails page. And currently this is a demo site, so there's no content, so I'm just going to delete it. Clear it out of there. And then to add a PDF, all I have to do is click the Upload Insert Media button. Now, a PDF is something that you want to take a screenshot of to get that image, and it can be exported if you have Adobe Acrobat. You can choose to save your PDF as a JPEG, or you can use a screenshot program or the Windows Snip tool if you have Windows 7 or Windows 8. Take a screenshot or a snip of that web page or that PDF that you're looking at, and then use that as the image. Then what I do is I drag and drop both the image and the PDF inside my upload media option. So then once I do that, I can change the title of my image, the title of my PDF. Right now I'm editing the image where it says JPG. It's a JPEG image. Oh, I guess it also says file type right here. I never noticed that before. Now, one important thing to remember, to have people be able to find your trail system a little bit easier, especially if you have other competing clubs in the area, you want to make sure that you rename the title, add some alternate text, and add some captions that help describe what you're doing. So this is an image of the snowmobile trails of Nantucket. So I'm going to add alternate text that says, click to view the trail map of the Nantucket area. Same thing for the caption, and that's what the user sees. It's what search engines see. So then I'm going to click Save All Changes, and then I'm going to modify the PDF document right here the same way. Now here I have the box for the PDF. Down here I have the box for the image that we just uploaded. So I'm going to give this a title, calling it the trail map. And then I'm going to copy the file URL down here by hitting Control-C or right-clicking. And then I can insert this into post, and this will insert the PDF document into the post as a normal text link if I do it this way. But what I want to do is I want to actually copy the link URL of the PDF and then go down to the link URL of the image, and I'm going to highlight this and delete it or click none. And then I'm going to paste the link URL of the PDF file that we just uploaded. And then I'm going to insert the image, which has a link to the PDF file, into the post instead. Now, when I hit update, I can then preview the changes or view the site on the web. Now here we have the trail map, and then if we click on the image, then it will bring the actual PDF file open for us as well. Now, I purposely added a very large image to make it big enough for the demonstration to resize. So we're going to edit the page. We're going to click on the image one time. Then we click the edit image option one time. Then here we're going to say 60%, because roughly it's about 1,000 pixels wide now, and we want it to be about 600. Then we're going to hit update and see how that appears. Now, one thing you may wish to do is to open the link in a new window. This can be done by editing the image and then going to advanced settings. If we scroll down to the window that appears, we're given an option to check open link in new window. We click update, it'll update it accordingly. Then we want to always update or save our changes before we try to test them on the website. Now this looks much better. It's a smaller image that's viewable. We have some text below it that describes what's going to happen when they click on it. And then now when we click on it, instead of having it replace the web page, it actually opens it in a new tabbed browser window containing the full PDF that we can of course zoom in on with very great detail that we wouldn't normally be able to do if it was just a plain old image. Now, if you're unhappy with just having a link to the PDF and you think that users aren't going to get it, of course you can just insert a hyperlink or insert the PDF into your page by doing this. To get behind an image, you click on the image, it'll give you a big cursor that appears on the right hand side. We'll hit enter a couple times to bring our cursor down. Then we'll click that space, and then we'll go back up to the media insert option. But we've already uploaded the PDF file, so there's no need to upload it again. We're just going to click the gallery option or the media library option, which will pull media that we've uploaded to this page as well as other pages on our website. This way you don't waste space, recycle, etc. And then we just click insert into post. When we do that, it'll insert it as some text that is linked to the PDF. To modify how this link appears, because what's happening now is it's just appearing as a standard link, we can highlight over it. We can give it a heading tag. If we want to modify how the link behaves when someone clicks on it, we click the link option, and then we're going to click open in a new window, then hit update. Then let's hit return, just get out of that, hit update one more time on the web page, and then let's view it on our live site, and then that's how this appears. Now you may be wondering why it's blue instead of brown. It's just because I've clicked on it before. But then now you can go ahead and add some text, take a couple pictures, do whatever else you want. But then that is how you insert a PDF. But more importantly, it's how you insert a PDF with a little bit of extra flair and pizzazz that will set you apart from the other club websites. Any other questions or for more details on how to use our services, please check out the other support videos that we have on our YouTube channel. Thank you.